If you should love me, if you should love me, don't ever tell me. Show it. That's how I'll know it. In fact, it's better not to show me at all. Let me pine, let me yearn, let me crawl, let me write you a song and long to belong to you. Write you a song from a distance. Let me love you like I love the moon. Let me love you like I love the let me pine, let me yearn, let me crawl, let me write you a song and long to belong to you. Write you a song from a distance. Let me love you like I love the moon. Let me love you like I love the It was kind of an accident how I started singing jazz. I played the saxophone and the flute in middle school and high school. But my brother, we all shared a computer. He accidentally downloaded an Ella Fitzgerald record, and for all of us. And I listened to it and I fell in love with it. It was Ella Fitzgerald live in Berlin, her like very famous solo I suppose that is like the little tidbit of my life that led me here.